and welcome to practical class experiment number 2 of class 12 to determine the resistance of a wire by means of meter bridge. You know meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge and it is just a wooden plank on which 1 meter wire is placed and 1 meter resistance wire is placed fixed between two screws, and there are 3 different metallic different metallic strips on which we have different bolts which are fitted over there, which we call as B, C, D, etc. A, C, D, etc. B point we don't take because B point is a variable point which we consider which is a part of your galvanometer state. Okay, and this is how what is the apparatus used: meter bridge, rheostat, eliminator, galvanometer, resistance wire. This is connecting wire. There is also one more thing, that is your jockey, that is also to be added. Jockey is also there. And after that, what is theory? Theory it is based on Wheatstone bridge, P upon Q to R upon S. Since we have said that it is just a single wire which is divided into 2 parts by means of jockey, and there were one part of it has a length L, other one will be equal to 100 minus L. तो P upon Q के जगह हम लोग L upon 100 minus L रखेंगे. बाकी R upon S वैसे ही है. R तो रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स से नॉन रेजिस्टेंस होगा और S हमको निकालना है. S is that resistance which we have to find in an unknown resistance. तो फॉर्मूला S इक्वल टू हो जाएगा R 100 minus L upon L. और ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल इसका ये है, सीरियल नंबर, रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स से जो रेजिस्टेंस निकालेंगे ओम में आएगा, और ये लेंथ A पॉइंट से लेंथ लेंगे, ये सेंटीमीटर में आएगा, और 100 माइनस L हम लोग वैसे अकॉर्डिंगली कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये इसका हो गया. अब आइए उसका सर्किट डायग्राम क्या है. सर्किट डायग्राम ये बना हुआ आपको दिख रहा है. ऐसे मीटर ब्रिज ये पूरा एक वुडन प्लान के ऊपर होता है. इसमें A, B और C ये 3 जो है आपका अलग अलग मेटलिक स्ट्रिप है. B पॉइंट नहीं है. B पॉइंट ये A और C ये जो वायर है इसके बीच में कहीं पर भी B पॉइंट आ सकता है जहाँ पे न्यूट्रल पॉइंट आएगा. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, D और B के बीच हम लोग गैल्वेनोमीटर लगाते हैं. तो उसको लगाने के लिए गैल्वेनोमीटर से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. गैल्वेनोमीटर के दूसरे एंड को जॉकी से एक पेन नुमा होता है जो कि इस तार के ऊपर स्लाइड करते हैं, विच कैन स्लाइड ओवर दिस वायर. दैट इज योर पॉइंट B, वेरिएबल पॉइंट. Okay, and now this is connected. The point A is connected to positive terminal of eliminator, battery eliminator. Negative is connected to rheostat, and rheostat variable end is connected to point C, at the other end of the wire. Okay. Well, the function of rheostat is to control the flow of current in the circuit so that everything gives the circuit galvanometer and give the proper 0 point position. Now, for that, what we need, we have to take this as the Wheatstone bridge circuit. This as the Wheatstone bridge circuit. That means P upon Q equal to R upon P upon Q equal to R upon S. You can just observe, and P and Q are here AB and BC. AB and BC. Here in place of P we place L. In place of Q, we place 100 minus L. In place of R, the resistance box जो resistance दिया जाएगा, that is R, and S is the unknown resistance which we have to find out. This is S, okay? And galvanometer can give you the zero deflection by means of changing the position of this rheostat. We can very easily adjust the setting of the situation so that we can get opposite deflection on both sides of the meter bridge. If we place galvanometer, if we place jockey at this point, if it gives the left side deflection, if we place it on this side, then it gives the opposite deflection. This is how we have this functioning, and in that way we have completed the description. Let us move to the apparatus. Now you observe this is the circuit, complete circuit of the thing. Of the given practical. Here we have the meter bridge. You can see it has 1 meter length wire. This meter bridge wire is of 1 meter. and it is resistance box. This is rheostat. This is battery eliminator. This is called jockey, and this is your galvanometer. Okay, and before we do anything, first we join the circuit. This is the resistance wire. I will just show this resistance wire later on in the closer view, and this is very thin and background is also dark, therefore I think you could not see, but now you can at least assess something that it is placed between these two knobs. Okay, and according to this the knobs are D and C. It is between D and C. This point is D and this is C. D and C के बीच ये लगा है, और ये है आपका A पॉइंट, तो A और आपका D के बीच ये रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स लगा हुआ है, रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स R, and this is your galvanometer. Galvanometer is connected between this point is D, and this is point, this is jockey. Okay, it works between B and D. It works between B and D. तो galvanometer को आप देख सकते हैं कि ये B और D के भी लगा रहता है. तो यहाँ पर AB जो है, यहाँ पर दिस पॉइंट इज A, जहाँ पर भी जॉकी टच करेगा वो पॉइंट B हो जाएगा, एंड ये पॉइंट C, दिस पॉइंट इज D. ओके, आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग दिस we have to take one of the resistance, one of the plug from this resistance box, so that that resistance is in the circuit. Rest of the resistances will be tightened. इनको जितने हो सकते हैं टाइट करके रखेंगे ताकि सर्किट में कोई आपके प्रॉब्लम ना आए. देन दिस स्विच इट ऑन, एलिमिनेटर स्विच ऑन करेंगे, 2 वोल्ट इसमें सिलेक्ट करके रखेंगे और इसको प्रेस करके रखेंगे यहाँ पर एट वन एंड. We can see galvanometer is giving one side of deflection, and then we place it on other side of the other end of the wire. It is in opposite direction. It is in opposite direction, and here we observe that it was initially placed on this side, then deflection was on left hand side. यहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्शन लेफ्ट की तरफ आ रहा है, एंड जब इसको इस साइड में जाएंगे तो डिफ्लेक्शन इज ऑन राइट साइड. ओके, तो अब हमको क्या करना है, न्यूट्रल पॉइंट लाना है, सो दैट वी हैव टू गेट द जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन. This is the neutral point. We note down that point, and here from this end it is around 69 centimeter. यहाँ पर देखिए जीरो है, तो ए पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस लिया था तो ये 69 पे आया आपका L. तो 100 माइनस L कितना हो जाएगा, 100 माइनस 69, दैट मीन्स योर 31 इज योर L माइनस 100 माइनस L. तो इस टाइप का अगर मैं रेजिस्टेंस बदल दूँ, 1 ओम की जगह 2.1 ओम की जगह 0.2 ओम निकाल दूँ, तो देखिए कुछ चेंजेस आना चाहिए. Yes. In many cases, due to heating effect, the resistance, the deflection does not give properly. We have to press the jockey properly so that we can get opposite deflection, and gradually we just take it to zero state. Now here it comes to a zero state. Now we just measure what is the position. Here at this case it is at 72. you can just observe now at 72 centimeter from point A, our neutral point comes. When we take initial reading R equal to 0.2, तो 0.1 ओम में आपने देखा 69 करीब आया, 0.2 में 79 आया, 72 आया. तो इस टाइप के आप लोग अलग अलग रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स से लेते रहेंगे और उसके हिसाब से आप लोग रीडिंग कैलकुलेट करेंगे. Let us observe the closer look of the wire, because that wire was not properly visible. Now you can see this is the resistance wire, and we have to determine the resistance of this very wire. Okay, and this is how we determine it by means of the use of meter base. Okay, thank you.